Hi, good evening, one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. Yes, I am back with one more the best question series. If you are aiming at CAT 2022 and if you are aiming at full to full questions correctly in geometry and mensuration, yes, you have to watch my class right now to get exposure to the best questions there, right? So before start of the class, let me introduce myself. This is NLN Sharma and my best CAT score was 99.83 in 2011. These are my credentials. Now, when you use my code NLN10, yes, you'll get 10% discount and you'll get guidance of all these subjects from me. Now, why me? I'm ranked 33 in overall category of GATE and DSC and rank 1 in math and chemistry category. I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date for CAT, UPSC and GATE and DSC. Many students were asking me, sir, what is the difference between plus and iconic and what are the advantages when I choose iconic or plus? One such greatest advantage in iconic is you will be assigned with a personal coach and you will be getting one-to-one live mentorship with your coach and your educator so that you can speak with them personally about your difficulties facing during the preparation where you'll get best solutions to overcome that. One more advantage, test analysis. Each and every test will be analyzed and your mistakes are identified and those mistakes are rectified automatically. Your score will be boosted. One such greatest advantage here. This is what students need right now because most of them complain me this, sir, we have done the entire syllabus but we are not able to apply the things onto the questions. We are not able to solve the questions. This is where your coach will be helpful. Each and every test will be analyzed and your mistakes are identified. Automatically your score will be boosted. Of course, whatever you get in plus, you will get in iconic also. These are the features of plus and iconic. How much you have to invest? If you are choosing plus, and if you are opting for 24-month subscription, it will be costing you on an average of 50 rupees per day, the lowest, where you will get India's the best educators to teach for you. Now, when you use my code NLN10, you'll get my guidance and my entire group guidance, and you will get 10% off. After 10% off, the price will be 35,550 for 24 months. And for 12 months, it is 24,750 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 months. Coming to iconic, it will be 41,175 after discount when you use my code NLN10 for 12 months, and this is for 18 and 24 months. And do try to download the sample notes, check the quality, check the depth of the content there. Then you can subscribe onto the Unacademy using with my code NLN10. Do try to do this so that you can clear all your doubts there. And do try to attempt this All India mock test for CAT 2022, and these are the dates. Lock in these dates. Unlock the test using with my code NLN10. So this will be exactly at the level of examination where your score will be gauged to the exact CAT examination, right? Do try to enroll. Chal, we'll start the question series here. So we have done all these questions. So we'll come to the today's question there. 1 second. Yes, this is the question there. So I will solve this question, right? The next question you should solve for me. Am I okay? Then observe the question carefully there. O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. This is a PYQ, exact, not PYQ. A rehash of PYQ, right? So find the value of x plus y is the question asked. So how to deal this question there? So I can do one thing. Now see here, OF and AE line segments are intersecting with each other. So vertically opposite angles will be equal. Now if this is x degrees, this will also be x degrees. Will you accept with me? Yes, perfectly. If this is x degrees, this will also be x degrees. I'll take down this as x degrees. Done. Now, so we have to find out x plus y degrees it seems. So how to do this? Now, we know one point. Now see here, BC and BD are the chords of the circle, and the angle formed by the chords of the circle on the circumference is 35 degrees. And see here, AC and AD are two more chords, and the angle made by the chords on the circumference of the circle is this. Now, AB angles are formed on the same arc. Am I right or wrong? Angles formed by the chords on the same arc will be equal. If this is 35 degrees, this will be 35 degrees. So observe triangle ACE. Observe triangle ACE. If you closely observe their ACE, now this is 90 degrees, this is 35 degrees. Now how much will be this one? Now this one will be 55 degrees. Very good. Now observe triangle DEF. In triangle DEF, angle 55 degrees is nothing but exterior angle of the given triangle. Exterior angle of a given triangle will be equal to sum of interior most opposite angles, and my x plus y is nothing but equal to how much? 55 degrees, and there is no option, and your option number D. Yeah, YouTube, right? I don't know your name, but answer is correct. Exactly right. So from next question, right? What I will do is I'll give you two minutes for each and every question. Think aram se. Let's see, right? So see here for this question, you should not keep your pen on the paper. Without that, you have to solve this question there here. But I'll be giving you 2 minutes, but you need only 30 seconds to solve this question if you know the logic there. Observe the question. This I took it from one textbook here. I don't know, one author have written in Delhi based author so many years ago. Observe the question and let me know the answer there. Where are my regular students, right? Pralay Mehta, Naman Mehta, Srinivas, Bhavesh, Anshita Gupta. Hi Joshi. A smaller circle touches internally to a larger circle at A. Okay. And passes through center of the circle, center of the larger circle it seems. And passes through the center of the larger circle. O is the center of the larger circle. Now see here, I'll write down the O is the center of the larger. In the meanwhile, you can answer me now. Now, and BA and OA are the diameters of the larger and smaller circles respectively. Okay. Chord AC intersects the smaller circle at a point called D. Okay, again. If AC is equal to 12, then find AD value is the question asked. Chalo. How many can answer this question? 20 seconds more. Here I thought you will be answering this in 30 seconds here. But it took 2 minutes. बहुत ज़्यादा easy question था. Not waste your time. Basic properties ना, nobody. अरे यार. Now चलो. Now closely observe there. O is the center of the circle. Data insufficient. Suraj. नहीं बेटा. Now closely observe there. So AC is nothing but chord to the larger circle. AC is nothing but called chord to the large circle. No, YouTube, right? Ab dekho. From center O, I will be dropping a perpendicular onto the chord D. I am dropping a perpendicular from O to D. From the center of the circle. From the center of the circle, which makes 90 degrees with the chord. I hope so I am clear. Now closely observe that when you drop a perpendicular from the center of the circle onto the chord, it divides the chord into two equal halves. When you drop a perpendicular from the center of the circle onto the chord, it divides the chord into two equal halves. My AC value is 12, so my AD value will be equal to 6 centimeter. That's it. Yes, perfectly right. That's an easy question, right? Now see here, as simple as such that if you know the properties, you can easily solve the questions here. Never ever try to solve with similarities and congruencies of triangles, which will be very time taking procedure, right? So what is the weightage? So make kaisa bolunga, right? It might be completely geometry also will be given in the examination here. Now let me know one more easy question there, and this is also a P by Q. Of course, a rehash of P by Q, not exactly. Let's see how many can answer this. My sabhi sab diagram draw kiya, so it's easy now to find out the answer. You are asked to find out AB length ma. So this is what missing there in the question. You are asked to find out AB length value. Radius of the circle is 1 centimeter and ABCD is a square. How many can answer this? Suraj, any answer for this? Why today the strength is so less? This is an easy question, na? You are asked to find out AB value. "35 seconds more, 33. Root 2. Suraj, how can it be root 2? This is diagonal of the square, but it is not inside the circle, na? Some part is outside. क्या होगा? क्या हो गया आपको? 10 seconds more. YouTube, any answer? No. Chalo, what I will do is I'll take down my AB line segment as A. If my AB line segment is A, my AC value will be how much? Root 2A. Everybody know about this. What is this AC value? Now you closely observe there, from A to O, it is nothing but called radius of the circle, which is nothing but equal to 1. Now see here, OQ is equal to 1, OR is equal to 1. Now OC value will be equal to how much? Root 2. Am I right or wrong? By Pythagoras theorem, OC value will be equal to root 2. By this, what can I write down? My AC value is nothing but equal to root 2 plus root 1 is equal to root 2A. So automatically, what will be my A value? A value is nothing but equal to 1 plus 1 by root 2. Anybody got the same answer there? My first option is my answer, right? Because AB value is equal to A and this is nothing but called your AB. Perfectly done, na? As easy, as simple. Now comes the best question here. Now, this is what I'm expecting from you, right? So let us see those who can solve this. Most of your geometry questions you can solve it fatafat easily. You'll be at 99.9%. In the given figure, not drawn to the scale exactly, angle AOC is given as 120 degrees. O is the center of the circle, okay, and ABCD is a square. Find length of DP is to find the ratio of DP is to PC length ratio is the question list. Let's see how many can solve this. Expecting Suraj answers this question perfectly. Srinivas answered this question perfectly. Very Srinivas today. So please do try to hit the like button here. So if you like the session there, so that I can reach to more number of audience. As I'm doing the best question series right on YouTube, this quality geometry question series is not at all available anywhere. "40 seconds more. Suraj, meet Joshi, YouTube. Where is Naman Mehta today? For the previous guys, right? All the guys who were there in the previous class suddenly gayab ho gaya. They come only for one session. You are asked to find out the length of DP is to PC. Okay. Shall I solve? Shall I? Chalo. I'll solve the question there. Now, you are asked to find out the ratio of DP is to PC length. So, B, no wind. Let's see, right? Check where you are going wrong. AC is nothing but called diagonal of the square. ABCD is a square, it seems. Is AC diagonal? Okay. So what I will do is, अब ध्यान से सुनो, I will take down my AB line segment as A. Okay. Sure. Now you closely observe there, from the center of the circle, I have dropped a perpendicular onto the line, onto the chord called AC. AC is in the circle which is called chord. And this divides the chord into two equal halves. Yes, perfectly. Which makes 90 degrees. You should accept this. Yes or no? Perfectly now. Now, what is this value? Now, I'll take down this value PQ. I'll take down this value as R. This dot as. Now, closely observe there. I'll take down like this. My AC value is root 2A. My AC value is root 2A because it is diagonal of the square. What will be my CR value? Root 2 by 2. Finally, root 2 by 2 means it is A by root 2. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Now let us find out what type of triangle is ORC. Angle R is 90 degrees. Now you closely observe there one more point. Observe triangle AOC. Triangle AOC per AO is radius, OC is radius. So it is an isosceles triangle. Angles opposite to equal sides will be equal. Now see here, pura AOC angle is 120. Now this will be 30 degrees and this will be 30 degrees. Will you accept with me? Yes, perfectly. This will be 30 degrees. I'll take down this. Now by this what can I say? This is 30, this is 90. Now this angle will be equal to 60 degrees. Now triangle ORC is nothing but in the format of 30, 60, 90 degrees triangle. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. Now the side opposite to 90 degrees, 60 degrees is nothing but called your RC value. Side opposite to 30 is nothing but called OR value. And side opposite to 90 degrees is nothing but called how much? OC value, which is nothing but called radius. Now, what is your RC value? RC value just now you have calculated, it is A root 2. A by root 2. Okay. Now this is root 3 value. 30, 60 degrees, 30, 60, 90 degrees triangle will be in the format of 1 is to root 3 is to 2. Now root 3 value is nothing but equal to A by root 2. Now how much will be one value? Anybody? It is A by root 6. Yes, it is A by root 6. I'll remove this value there. A by root 6. Now how much will be this one? 2 parts value will be 2A by root 2. Am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong? Please let me know, yes or no. One part value is nothing but equal to A by root 6. So 2A by root 6 will be the thing there. No, it is not D option. So this can be written as root 2 by root 2. Root 2 gets cancelled there. So finally, what will be the value there? Value will be root 2 by root 3A. Root 2 by root 3A. Am I right or wrong? Now this is called your radius. Will you accept with me? This is called your radius, which is nothing but called OC value. Perfectly done. Exactly. Let's come up to the next point. In what way this will be helpful for me? Now, one more point, I will be taking down one more point. You closely observe there. I will take down one more line segment here to have a more clarity. Now, see, from here to here, I'll take a line segment. From here to here, I'll take a line segment. And I'll take one more line segment. First of all, I'll take up to here. Done. Now, you closely observe there. OPC. Triangle OPC. I'll write down here. Triangle OPC is an isosceles triangle because one second. So I'll remove this. I'll draw again this. Nothing to worry. Okay. Now observe here. So this is an isosceles triangle because OP is radius, OC is radius. Angles opposite to equal sides will be equal. Will you accept with me regarding this? Yes, perfectly. Now what will be these angles there? Any idea? Now see here. This is 30 ma. Now this will be how much and what will be the angle exactly? That's what you have to say for me. What will be this angle? Triangle OPC. It is not 60 degrees. How can we say this? Now I can draw one point perfectly. Anybody, A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Waiting for your answer. Raj, it is not D option first of all. It is not D option. Of this is also completely an isosceles triangle. Now see here, angles opposite to equal sides will be equal. Now this angle will be equal and this angle will be equal. Now how much will be this angle? How much will be this angle? That's what, if you can find out that, your answer is done there. Now closely observe there, this is 30 degrees beta. Now see here, can it be 60, 60, 60? No, it cannot be 60, 60, 60. Already 30 is there here. Now see here, complete this angle must be 90 degrees, right? Each vertex angle should be 90 degrees. Now if I draw 60 degrees here, now what about this angle? This angle will be left over something, so this is not 60 degrees for sure. I can damn surely say this point there. Any other value that you can decide then. Now see here, I'll frame one more triangle with this line segment also, QP. Now this is also an isosceles triangle. So and this angle and this angle must be damn surely equal. Now how can you say this? What are those angles there? Now completely, what will be this angle there? Any idea to solve this? So I'm waiting for your answer. Any idea to solve this? Any idea, beta? Waiting for your answer. Now closely observe there. This is 30 now. Now closely observe that this will be 45 degrees. This will be 40. Why this is 45 degrees? Now closely observe there. AC is nothing but called diagonal of the square. Diagonal of the square will divide the angle at the vertex of the square into two equal halves. Now this part and this part must be equal. Now this part damn surely should be 45 degrees only. So finally, how much will be the total angle there? Is it 75? Yes, it is 75. Now closely observe that. I'll draw this. This complete angle is nothing but called 75 degrees. Yes. Now if this is 75 degrees, this must also be 75 degrees. Hope so you got my point there. Yes, perfectly, because angles opposite to equal sides will be equal. Now see here, for my convenience I will remove this 60 degrees here because it is not 60 right now. Now closely, this will be 75, 75, 150. Am I right or wrong? 150, this will be 30 degrees. Yes. And the same type here, 75 degrees. Here 45 degrees. So completely this will be 75 degrees. Now this will be 30 degrees. Totally this is 120. Now this angle will be how much? 60 degrees. Now angles opposite to equal sides will be equal. Now this will be 60 degrees. This will be 60 degrees. Sum of the adjacent angles must be equal to 180. 75, 65, is it 135? Now how much will be this angle? This angle will be 45 degrees. And this angle will be 45 degrees. Everybody know? Now automatically angle D is nothing but, everybody know, this will be 90 degrees because vertex angle of a square must be 90 degrees. Perfectly done. I got the answer. Over. My answer is over. Observe triangle DPQ. Triangle DPQ is in the format of 45 degrees, 45 degrees, 90 degrees. So 45, 45, 90 degrees will be in the format of 1:1:√2. Am I right or wrong? And everybody know, see here, these are perpendicular sides. QP value is nothing but equal to √2 value. QP value. Am I right or wrong? Please let me know, yes or no. Yes, perfectly. Now how much is QP value? Is nothing but called radius of the circle only, right? Because OP, QP and QO are nothing but radius only. So √2 value is nothing but equal to √2/3. Am I right or wrong? Yes. So what will be my DP value? DP value is this one. DP value will be 1/√3. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. 1/√3. I have done it perfectly right. Now see here, DC value is nothing but called side of the square. Now I will write down the next slide. Is there any slide? Okay, I can write down here now. So PC value is nothing but equal to 1 minus, let us suppose I took A na, this is 1 by root 3A. So 1 minus 1 by, A minus A by root 3. Now is it nothing but called root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 A? Perfectly done. Now my dp value is nothing but equal to how much? Dp value is 1 by root 3. How much is my pc value? Root 3 minus 1 by root 3. By this, cancel down the denominators there, and my ratio is 1 is to root 3 minus 1. Perfectly done without any issues there. So those who know the basic properties of the circles and triangles, you can solve this question. I didn't use any formula also, any theorem also to solve this. I hope so I am clear. Yes, perfectly. 1 is to root 3 minus 1, Raj Gupta answer. And again, one of my favorite question here. Let's see. A circular ring is tied with 2 ropes, it seems. Sir, it's getting hard to understand. Can you discuss my very language? Easy nahi tha. I didn't use any theorems also, Aniket. You first just rewind the question and you can understand it very, very easily. Sir, it looks so complicated, right? So I used only two basic things, na? 30, 60, 90 degrees triangle, 45, 45, 90. Sometimes you have to solve this type of questions also. Every time easy questions might not be there, na? And Aniket, I think so, this is your first class. You should watch the previous sessions also to get sure that, to make sure that you are strong in the basics. What about this question? A circular ring with center O is kept in the vertical position by 2 weightless thin strings TP and TQ attached to the ring at P and Q, it seems. The only thing, if you can find out in the previous question, diagonal divides the angle at the vertex into 2 equal halves of a square, then automatically you can solve the remaining things. Any answer for this? No. Observe the question there. I'll draw the diagram there. Most of all, if you can draw the diagram, you can solve the question fatafat and easily here. Aniket, try to solve this question there. So there is a circular ring with center O is kept in vertical position by 2 weightless strings, it seems. So okay, 2 weightless strings. I'll take down the strings as like this. What are those? TP and TQ. Matlab this value is T. I'll take down this as P. I'll take down this as Q. Any other point given there? Attached to the ring at P and Q, it seems. Very good. The line OT meets the ring at E. The line OT, so see here I'll draw a line segment from O to T. Now this is O, center of the circle, OT it seems. Okay. The line OT meets the ring at E. I'll take down this point as E. Whereas a tangential string at E meets TP and TQ at A and B, it seems. There is a tangential string from E, it seems. So tangential string means like this. From E to P and E to Q. So where they are attached at A and B. At TP, it is A. At TQ, it is at B, it seems. Okay, fine. Respectively, if the radius of the ring is 5 centimeters and OT length is 13 centimeters, what is the length of AB is the question asked. Okay, so we'll solve it. Now from O to E is nothing but called radius of the circle, and this is 5, it seems. OT value is 13, so TE value will be 8, everybody know. And you closely observe that you are asked to find out this AB length there. Now can I take down from here to here, is this nothing but called radius of the circle? Radius of the circle will make 90 degrees with the tangent by tangent perpendicularity theorem. So I am observing a triangle called OQT, triangle OQT, and it is a right angle triangle. Let's find out TQ value there, OQT. In this OQ square plus PQ square is nothing but equal to OT square. Everybody know, let's find out TQ value. OT square is nothing but 13 square. Now OQ square is nothing but called 5 square because this is radius. So what will be TQ value? 13 square minus 144, it is 12. So I got my TQ value as 12. Okay, fine. So we are asked to find out AB value. Let us do one thing. I will take down BQ value as x, TB value as 12 minus x. Now we have a property in circles. When you draw two tangents from an external point onto the circle, and these two tangents will be of equal length. Now see here, B is an external point. From B, I have drawn a tangent called B. From B, I have drawn a tangent called Q. Q value is x. EB value will also be x. Am I right or wrong? Perfectly. And you closely observe there, I can easily write down one more point. Tangent perpendicularity theorem, this will make 90 degrees. By this, is this triangle, I'll write down in blacking. Triangle TEB is a right angle triangle. Am I right or wrong? Triangle TEB is a right angle triangle. Yes, perfectly. And this, what are the perpendicular sides? 8 square plus x square is nothing but equal to 12 minus x whole square. What will be the x value there? Calculate this and let me know the value there. 64 plus x square is equal to 12 square is nothing but 144 plus x square minus 24x. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. X square gets cancelled. 24x will go on to the left hand side. 144 minus 64 will be 80. Am I right or wrong? 144 minus 64 will be 80. Yes, perfectly. 80. Now what is my x value there? X is equal to 80 by 24. 80 by 24 is nothing but equal to 8 3s are 8 10s are. Is it 10 by 3? Yes. But what is the question asked? You are asked to find out AB length completely, ma. So the similar thing will be happened on the left hand side also. AE value will also be x. So you are asked to find out 2x value. 2x value is nothing but equal to AB. And my value is nothing but equal to 2 into 10 by 3. 20 by 3 is my answer. Is there any option with 20 by 3? Yes, there is an option called B. So in this entire scenario, those who can draw the diagram. So recent CAT examination, right? 20, 19, 18, they are not giving you diagrams. You have to draw your own diagram and then you have to solve it. Right? So these type of questions are being so famous. And this is a question asked in one test series, right? Some 2019, I think. So I got that question from there. Done. Very good. Let's come to the next one. Let's see, right? So try to draw the, and this is one of the best question here. So this is one of my favorite question. Let's see how many can solve this. If diagram is given, so 60 to 70% of the confusion will be gone. The thing is, people are, examiner is trying to confuse us. You have to draw our own diagram. We have to draw our own diagram. Hi Mansi. So do try to hit the like button here, please. Try this. Let's see how many. I will solve this question in many ways. AB is tangent to a circle of radius 27 centimeter as shown in the diagram below, where O is the center of the circle itself. If AB is equal to 36 centimeter and BC pass through center of the circle, BC pass through center of the circle, okay, then find out the area of the triangle ABC is the question asked. See, so those who can crack this question 99.99, clean 100% also. So I'm waiting Aniket answer. Relaxing wine. I don't know your original name. Mansi, yes. What about Suraj? Raj Gupta. What's your answer there? 30 seconds more. Seconds more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. क्या हुआ? Nobody. No, Aniket, it's not 54. Area of the triangle is 54. How can it be 54 here? Their side lengths are so huge, na? AB is a tangent to a circle of radius 27 centimeters as shown in the diagram below. O is the center of the circle. It's in. Now see, I'll take down O as the center of the circle. Now OC value will be how much? Is it 27? Yes. Now up to here I'll take down one more value D. OD value is how much? OD value is also 27. Yes, perfectly. Because radius na. Now AB is 36, it seems okay. And BC passes through the center of the circle. Then fine. Now see here, I don't know DB value. I'll take down DB value as X because I need area of the triangle. Let's suppose take, now see, is this nothing but called radius of the circle? Yes, perfectly. Now see, from O to A, radius of the circle will make 90 degrees with the tangent by tangent perpendicularity theorem. Everybody accept this. Now chalo, by Pythagoras theorem, I can write down this point there, OA square plus AB square is nothing but equal to OB square. Let's find out OB square value. What is OA? OA is nothing but equal to 27. 27 whole square plus 36 whole square is nothing but equal to OB square. Let's find out the value there, beta. Any answer for this? OB square ka value batao. 27 into 27 is 729 plus 36 is 1296, I think so. 1296, yes. So add this together plus 1296. 1 second. 729 plus 1296 is 2025. 2025 means nothing but it is 45 square. So my OB value is nothing but equal to 45. अब देखो OB value, OB is nothing but equal to OD plus DB. Am I right or wrong? So OB is 45, OD is 27. Now DB is X. 45 minus 27 will be how much here? Is it 18? So my X value is equal to 18. Yes, perfectly. X value is nothing but equal to 18. Now, how X value? Yes. Now see here, this is one way. This is basic approach. This is basic approach. Everybody can solve it. And I can solve in one more way also. Now, are you observing tangent secant theorem? Just for the sake of knowledge, I am giving you all the approaches, beta. Later on, you can use whatever you want. Tangent secant theorem, we can solve in this way also. How many of you know we have solved many questions regarding with this tangent secant theorem? Tangent secant. So see here, AB is tangent, BC is nothing but called secant. So by tangent secant theorem, BC into tail end part which is outside the circle DB is nothing but equal to AB square. Am I right or wrong? So how much is BC value? 27 plus 27 plus X, 54 plus X. Now your DB value is also X is equal to, now AB is 36, 36 whole square is 1296. Okay, we will be getting a quadratic equation there, x square plus 54x. Now see how much we are complicating the things there. Now this quadratic equation is not a normal quadratic equation, a complex quadratic equation we cannot solve in a normal way. So I have to find out the roots. I have to find out the positive roots. So I will be taking down this plus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Let's calculate this. Will I get the same answer there? If I get the same answer there, we are doing it perfectly right. So x is equal to, b value is minus 54, 54 minus 54 plus root of b square is nothing but equal to 54 whole square minus 4 into a value is 1. Now c value is minus 1296 divided by 2. Let's calculate this. 54 whole square is nothing but how much here? 54 into 54 is 2916. 2916. So minus into minus will become plus. 4 into 1296 will be how much? 5184. Add those two things. 5184 plus 2916 is nothing but equal to 8100. Perfectly done. We have done it perfectly right here. So x is equal to minus 54 plus root of 8100 is nothing but equal to 90 divided by 2. So 90 minus 54 is nothing but equal to 36 by 2. 36 by 2 is nothing but equal to 18. I got the same answer there using with same Pythagoras theorem, using with tangent secant theorem. I got my x value as same. Yes, perfectly. Now the point is, you are asked to find out area of the triangle. How to find out AC value there? Is it a need to find out the AC value? There is no need to find out the AC value beta. Now we have a formula for area of the triangle. Now see here, I can do like this. Area of the triangle, when I know an angle, if I know an angle and sides attached to that angle, area of the triangle will be equal to half into AB into sine theta. Now the thing is, you should know angle B value there. So angle B, sine B value is how much beta? Sine B value is nothing but equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is nothing but equal to 27. How much is hypotenuse? Already you have calculated 27, 54, 64, 74. Is it 72? Right or wrong? Did I miss out anything there? Hypotenuse value or otherwise, right? So no need of complete thing. Observe triangle AOB. Observe triangle AOB. In AOB, sine B is nothing but 27 plus 18. 45. 27 by 45 is nothing but equal to 9 3s are 9 5s are 3 by 5. Now I got my answer perfectly. That's an easy case. So how many of you know this formula there? Half into now triangle ABC ka A value is nothing but equal to this one 36. Now B value is nothing but completely this 54 plus 18. Is it nothing but 72 into 3 by 5? Sine B, sine theta value is nothing but equal to 3 by 5. Now let me know the answer there. Calculate all these things and let me know. You will be getting 777.3 something. 36 into 72 into 3 into divided by 3 divided by 5. Sorry, I missed out anything there. No. 36 into 72 into 3 into divided by 2 divided by 5. 777.6. Everything is given in centimeter. So your answer is 777.6 centimeters square. This is your area of the triangle there. So question looks so easy. Yes, Karthik, Adarsh. Yes, perfect. So how is the question? So those who know the things, those who know how to apply the things there easily can solve the question. Otherwise, right, you have to find out AC value by trigonometric identities, which is very tough here. So time taking. Half into base into height, you cannot find out the answer that much easily here. What is your base and what is your height here? That you cannot say it perfectly, na? Yes or no? Done? Exactly. So this is one such beautiful question here. So I've seen this in one test series, right? Let's go to the next one. Let's see how many can answer this. We'll solve 3 more questions, right? So the questions today were a little bit on higher level, more than CAT. Just want to test the knowledge there. That's why I got this question there. So this is a question that I took from one test series here. I forgot the test series. From Bombay based one. Set king or cat king, I forgot. Five seconds more. Any answer for this? Easy one now. 64. Very good. Madan Lal gave me the answer there. Exactly. Exactly, Madan. Karthik, yes. Yes, it is 64. Chalo, I'll do this. A square has two of its vertices on a circle. First of all, I'll take a circle. Two of its vertices and the other two on the tangent to the circle, it seems. This is the diagram there. Two vertices are on the, chalo, I'll take down like this. Two vertices are on a circle and the other two are on the tangent. Now this is tangent to the circle, it seems. I'll use these things. Done. What is the question asked? Find the area of the square if the radius of the circle is 5 units is the question asked. Chalo. So this is the center of the circle, beta. So I'll be taking down like this. This is radius. Up to here I'll take down like this. Now this is nothing but called center of the circle. Now radius of the circle is given as 5 units. And you closely observe there, this is also radius of the circle. This will be 5 units. Now I will take down this as x units. Now this x plus 5 is nothing but called exactly side of the square. Now is this nothing but called x plus 5 units? Yes, perfectly. Now closely observe there, from the center of the circle I have dropped a perpendicular onto the chord. This is the chord there. I'll take down like AB is not ABCD is a AD is a chord there. So it divides the chord into two equal halves. Now how much will be this value? This value will be equal to x plus 5 by 2. Then I can find out my x value very easily by Pythagoras theorem. So these are perpendicular sides. X plus 5 divided by 2. So I'll take down this value as E. So AEO x plus 5 by 2 whole square plus x square is nothing but equal to square. What will be this value there? Yeah, x square plus 25 plus 5 2s are 10x plus 2x square. This will be 4 now, 4x square. Yes. This 2 I'll take, this 4 I'll take down this side. 25 into 2, this will become 100. So finally this will become 5x square plus 10x minus 75 is equal to 0. I can take down 5 as common. So this will be a quadratic equation. X square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0. So it has to be minus 15. So I'll take down this as 5 minus 3. So 5 minus the x plus 5. X plus 5 and this is x minus 3 is equal to 0. So positive should be my answer there. I'll take down x is equal to 3. If x is equal to 3, then what is the question asked? Area of the square. Area of the square is x plus 5. X plus 5 is nothing but equal to 8, and you are asked to find out 8 square value. Is this the answer there? 64, and my option number C. Perfectly done. Exactly. Done. Perfectly done, beta. Clear. Shall we go for the next one? Let's see how many can solve this. We have done a similar type of question. This I took it from both the prep test series, I think so. Observe this question there. Please let me know. We have done this question, beta. We have done this question in very easiest manner. Those who have followed my previous classes can solve this question in 30 seconds. Any answer for this? In a triangle PQR, PQ is equal to PR is equal to 11 centimeter, and S is a point on QR such that PS is equal to 10 centimeter. If the lengths of QS and S are, when expressed in centimeter, are both integers, it seems. They are both not fractions, not point values. They are integers, it seems. Find the length of the QR is the question asked. No answers. Kya hua? I have solved this question. So can we use Stewart's theorem to solve this question there? Yes, we can use Stewart's theorem to solve the question. Ab dekho easily. So triangle PQR, PQR. S is a point on QR such that PS value is nothing but given as 10. PS value is given as 10. PQ value is 11. So already know na. So PR value is 11, and I don't know this value. This is what you have to find. I'll take down this as yes. Do you know what is PS? No. Whether it is median, perpendicular bisector, angular bisector, we don't know anything. So it divides, let us suppose the QR into two parts, M and N. Now can I use Stewart's theorem in order to, I'll take down this as C, I'll take down this as B, I'll take down this as D. I can use Stewart's theorem to solve the question there. What is Stewart's theorem? I have explained you n number of times in the previous classes where you can solve. It is not 9 others. What Stewart's theorem says, to easily remember this, CNC plus BMB, I have given this proof also for you in the previous classes. BMB is equal to dad plus man. Now what is your C value? 11. So 11 into 11, 11 square. Okay, your B value is also 11 square. I'll take down common. So M plus N will be left over here, is equal to, your D value is 10. So it is 10 square into A plus, what is your A? So I'll write down like this, M, A, N. I don't know these values now. So M plus N is nothing but what? M plus N is nothing but equal to A only. So I can cancel a from all the things there. 11 square minus 10 square is nothing but equal to 21. 21 is nothing but equal to m into n. So what values can you give m into n as 21? There is only one chance, 7 into 3. Am I right or wrong? 7 into 3 will give you 21. Now what is the question asked? QR. QR value is nothing but equal to m plus n. So what will be your answer there? 7 plus 3. Is it equal to 10? Yes, it is equal to 10, and this is my answer there. Option number 2. Hope so I am clear. Done. So I have explained you this theorem in the previous class. I have explained you how to use this theorem for the questions also. That's why do follow my sessions there where you can solve the questions fatafat and easily. Yes, and one more, the best question here. Let's see how many can solve this. 2 minutes. Any answer for this? So every question was jam here. I'm praising more about my questions, not by me questions. Any answer? Fifteen, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nobody. From wo, the in center. First of all, what is in center? Anybody in the comment section box? In center is nothing but called intersecting point of all angular bisectors is nothing but called in center. Am I right or wrong? Triangle PQR, a perpendicular is drawn to the side QR such that it meets QR at A. If angle QOA is 40 degrees, then the measure of angle POR is the question asked. So, chalo, I'll draw this. Let's see how it happens finally. I took like this, right? So that's your wish. You can draw it anyway. I'll take down this triangle as PQR. Now, O is nothing but called in center. Now, O is nothing, so which is nothing but called intersecting points of all perpendicular bisectors. Now, a perpendicular is drawn to the side QR that it meets QR at A. Now, you have drawn a perpendicular from O and it meets at A, it seems. Now, this will be making 90 degrees. Will you accept with me? Yes. And again, what is the other point given there? Angle QOA. Now, this is angle QOA. Is how much? It is nothing but equal to 40 degrees. Am I right or wrong? This is 40 degrees it seems. Now, automatically, what will be angle Q? Angle Q 40 is 90, 130. This will be 50 degrees. I can say 1.1. Now, see here, QO. QO is nothing but called angle bisector. Of course, you can extend up to here. No need of any, no problem. So QO is nothing but line segment is an angle bisector because O is an in center. Now, angle bisector means it divides the angle into two equal halves at the vertex. Now, this will also be 50 degrees. Now I will draw one more angular bisector from O to P. Yes, this is one more angular bisector. From O to R, I will draw one more angle bisector. Now this angle bisector will divide the angle into two equal halves here, x and x. Now here they will be dividing the angle R into two equal halves, y and y. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Now you are asked to find out angle POR. This is the question you are asked, angle POR. Now observe triangle POR. Observe triangle POR. Angle X plus angle Y plus angle POR is nothing but the question. Now, first of all, what is X and Y? Observe triangle PQR. If you observe triangle PQR, 50 plus 50, 100. 100 plus 2x plus 2y is nothing but equal to 180 degrees. Now 180 minus 100 will be 80. X plus y is nothing but equal to 80 by 2. Is it 40? Yes. So this is equal to 180 degrees. Now closely observe there. X plus y, just now you have calculated, it is 40 degrees. And angle POR is nothing but equal to how much? Is it 140 degrees? Yes, it is 140 degrees, and my option is 140 degrees. So how many of you got this answer there? So I'm using minimalistic pen on this slide to solve the questions there. Yeah, only using the basic properties to solve the question there. So how are the questions today? Shall we solve one more question, or shall we end? Of course, right? We will solve many questions tomorrow. I got many questions there. Tomorrow's class we will solve all those questions there. We got some of the best questions. Okay, I hope so you liked the class today. So I will be forwarding the notes to the Telegram groups. You can use these questions later on also. So today I have joined the Telegram groups of all the channels of Unacademy. We'll forward the classes. Okay. So as you all know, I deal with CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESC category. If you wish me as your guide, you can use my code NLN10 for plus subscription. You can use my code NLN10 for iconic subscription. Yes, you can unlock combats using with my code NLN10. Yes, you can unlock free classes using with my code NLN10. Yes, and the price for plus for 12 months will be 24,750 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 and 24 months. Coming to iconic, it will be 41,175 after discount when you use my code NLN10 12 months, and this is for 18 and 24 months. Do try to join in my special classes here, right? So my special class has huge crowd. My strategy sessions, my campus placement opportunities, and career opportunity sessions has more than 200 to 300 in the class. Sometimes there are 1,000 students also in the class, right? And the interaction level will be 10x, and we can solve more number of test questions. You can ask your doubts, right? Let us suppose take Aniket ne bola, right? So I'm a little bit confused. So we can have more interaction there, right? Do try to join my special classes, right? And yes, please do try to hit the like button. If you like my classes, share my classes with your friends who are preparing for CAT. Subscribe to the channel, download the PDF from the Telegram groups and communities also, right? And yes, hit the bell icon to get the updates, right? Thank you and have a nice day. Aniket, so how to improve your basics there? So you have to start from the scratch, whatever the topic, right? On the YouTube channel itself, type the topic name with my name. Every video is there from the basic, right? You can watch those basics there for sure, right?